Hi guys, in this video I'm going to do something a little bit different. So a few weeks ago I went to a Japanese festival here locally. I live in Fort Worth, Texas, and saw some pretty cool stuff. Went through the Japanese gardens, saw some bonsai trees, and as I was looking at the bonsai trees they had some other planting displays, and I saw this cool little Groot planter. So I thought it was so cool that I went to see if I could find some, and I think I found some, and a box showed up the other day, so thought that I would open it up here and see if it matches and looks like what I hope it will. So let's see what we've got here. So there's one box. There's another box. I think this box is a grow light that I ordered. I'm pretty sure it is, just based on the size of it. So just open it up just to check it out to make sure that that's what it is. Yes, it is. And I'll probably make another video sometime in the future showing some of my grow lights and how I have my indoor setup. But so we'll set that aside for now. But the main event for today is to check out and see what these look like. So those wrapped up in some bubble wrap, which is pretty nice, I guess. So we'll see what we've got here. So here's the first one. Take it out. So there's the first little guy. He's making a little heart symbol with his hands there. Here's the next one. Just kind of resting on his hands. They're poly resin, so plastic. They have a decent weight to them, so pretty good construction. There is a small drain hole, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there is a small drain hole in there, and maybe you can see it from this side. It's not very big, so I'll probably have to drill that out a little bit more just to give proper drainage. But so far, I kind of like what I'm seeing. There's the other one. That's kind of neat. It would look cool with some kind of crazy plant or something out of the top. And the last one, and this one looks very similar to the one that I saw at the Japanese garden. So pretty excited about it. Maybe you can see the hole in this one. I put something light behind it, so you can see that hole in the bottom. So that one's pretty good size. The other one that I was trying to show you was only about a quarter of this size, so I'll just have to punch that out the rest of the way. But yeah, it's a decent drain hole in there. So let me set that box aside, and we'll set these out so you can see them all. So yeah, pretty happy with it. And I think we'll, you know, call it in for today's video. And in the future, I will be planting. Not sure what I'm going to plant in them, but I will plant something. And maybe a bonsai tree or two, or just some other plant. But pretty happy with the way they look. Decent size, decent weight. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.